Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna try the Coinstar counting machine if this is effective and convenient to use. One time when we're going to do our grocery here at the Carrefour, you can check the link above, it caught our attention to this blue imposing machine and today is the day to try it. You need to accept the terms and conditions first, where 10% of the total amount will be deducted, and then you can dump different denominations all at once, and it will somehow sort out inside the machine. But since we collected loose coins and stored it in a jar according to its denominations, it took us 4 times to do it. You can see the real-time sorting and counting through this monitor in front of you. When the transaction is complete, you can choose to yes for another go or no if you're done. Then the ticket will come out, like in a typical ATM machine. Nice! everything has been sorted out and you collected all the tickets, you will proceed to the customer service and the staff will give you the amount shown in your ticket. And you're good to go to buy another groceries or save it for the rainy days.